We're talking about Python. Attend Python training through us. Take Python training through us. We have kind of a dedicated website for Python training. We have YouTube channel. So in that way, kind of you can see the quality what we provide in the Python training. We have a GitHub where we kind of write the software that is written in Python. You can browse through. We have many applications that is we have written in Python. And Python we are using across kind of many domains. 2D graphics, 3D graphics like Kiwi, or pure Python OpenGL, to machine learning, to many things. So it's a kind of fruitful to take Python training through us, as we have the training slide online that you can see that what quality we maintain when we take the Python, what kind of slides we carry, what video we carry. So you can visit our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website, or you can visit our GIT hub. So all our meaning like meaning.42web.io or YouTube channel meaning or GIT hub meaning. You can see our application, software, our training slides to videos. So all the kind of OpenGL machine learning, all the programs, applications what we are developing, everything is in Python. So means there is nothing kind of that you cannot see. Like we don't provide only table of content or something like that. You can see everything. Everything is available. So kind of do contact us if you personally need Python training across the globe.